Good morning. I want to come on here and I just want to speak to anybody that have bills. Anybody that have some bills. Anybody that have any bills that they feel as though they need to pay right away. Okay? When I say right away, I mean right away. I want to know anybody that want to become a part of the Skittles team. Listen. I'm not even going to say my story. I'm not even going to get on here and hold you with no bullshit. Anybody 18 years and up, woman, man, gay, straight, fucking morphodite, I think that is the word. I'm serious. I'm all jokes aside. So I started this business. I started in the business. Well, I became on board like 6 days ago. No, I started on the 18, 19, something like that. I'm just so excited right now. I'm sorry, y'all. But I started on this with this business, and you know, I did know that I had to work. I knew I had to become a product of the product. I knew I had to be a type of person. I can't be talking I'm an introvert and all this other stuff. And you know, I get some people just keep saying I'm not a person that like that. Well, you ain't ready. You're not ready to become a part of my team if you're not ready to change lives and get this motherfucking money. Okay? Look what I made in 6 days. Look what I made in 6 days, y'all. That's 6 days. This beginning starting another week right here. That's just the start. Look what I made. This not a game. This not a game. It's money to be made. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing already. Cha-ching in my motherfucking account. In my account. And I just started 6 days ago. And the only thing I did was promote. I took the product. I did it myself and I promoted. And I promoted. 6 days. 6 days, y'all. This is bigger than somebody fucking check. This is bigger than somebody's income tax check that I made in only 6 days by being passionate about what the fuck I want, how I want to do things, and being honest with myself. Stop playing, y'all. Click my link. Hit join my team to make more money. That's what it says. You're going to click my link. You're going to hit join my this is for only a person. Listen, I'm not trying to twist your hand. I'm not on here today to have a whole long ass sermon, a long ass rant, cuz I'm going to get it. Y'all going to keep watching me like, "Oh, I remember when she was asking people to become a part of Listen. Why wouldn't you? 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 In 6 days. You see that? You see that date? Hold on, I'm trying to... Shit is blurry. You see that date? The 20th to the 26th. The 20th to the 26th. I made $3,770. If y'all don't stop fucking playing and just sitting back and watching this shit with your nose all turned up... I know you are. I know some people like, yeah, but people keep on asking, is it really real? Watch me spend this motherfucking $3,700. Well, it's going to stay in my bank account. But watch this money build and build and build and build. This is not to show off. This is so I can get people to be a part of my team. This is so I can get people to see it can be us and not just me. Not just me and Cece. Not just me, CC, and my husband and my daughter. Become a part of the team, y'all. This company out here letting us get this money. And all they want you to do is promote their products. They want you to take the product. They want you to push these products and show people that it ain't fake. If it was fake, you think they're going to drop this money in my account? If it's fake, you think that I gained that weight and that shit got off me in 19 days? Listen, that $80 up there is the start of a new week. You get paid every Thursday. But January 6th, they're going to start having day pay where every day they're going to drop the money in your account. But then I started when they was getting paid weekly. The day pay ain't start yet. So these 6 days, I made that right there. Nowhere, right behind my damn phone. Right behind my phone. I ain't had to go nowhere. I ain't had to ship nothing. The company. And that's only one way of pay, y'all. That's only one way. And you get paid 5 ways with this company. They want to see you win, y'all. Don't sit back and see. Listen, only thing, and I told my girlfriend this, so this is not a secret. My girlfriend put me on this product, and do y'all know she was not a fucking representative of the company? You let me try something. You gave me a product that you believed in, and you let me try these products. You see me change. I showed you my transformation, and you did not. You was not a part of this fucking company that you believed in so heartedly. So heartedly. How you do that? And this is not no secret. This is not kicking her back in, but this is real. I'm reaching out to each and every one of y'all on my fucking page. If you just want some extra money, everybody can get some extra cash. And you ain't got to go out your way. You ain't got to drive nowhere, go on no interview. You ain't got to do nothing. You ain't got to get a lawyer. You ain't got to do none of that shit. All you got to do is believe and say yes. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? You know I'm not fronting. You know I'm not that person that's going to be like, oh, that's a lie. She put that in the system. I didn't. This is Total Life Changes website. I ain't got nothing. They not my boo. They not nobody that's going to hook me up. Y'all playing. Y'all playing. Put your pride to the side. I don't give a fuck if you don't even like me. Why wouldn't you? Listen, money is not everything, but it play a big fucking part in this world. You can't really do nothing without it. Why not get yourself in a position that you could be financially free? I'm talking to all my family members too first. Why wouldn't you? I don't care if we ain't speaking many, many years or whatever. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Till one day you think that video that I put up with that woman, she made $1 million in 7 months. As of today, she made $15 million. She been in the company 5 years. She was a stripper, y'all. It's a lot of strippers that's starting these businesses, right? Look at what's her name? But still, I'm telling you, and all the people that's around her, the team that she built, they getting money, they eating, y'all. They nobody special. They ain't was raised with people that had money already. These is people that were strippers, people that was just regular, living day to day, working at Target. Had they little business, they little hair thing, selling hair, doing what we do to survive. But then they just gave this company a try with, look at LaQuave. Anybody following LaQuave? Anybody looking at Boss Lady Meeks? Anybody looking at Tammy Price? Tammy Price was homeless. She took her last $100 and something and put it in a company. Now she making $100,000 a month. These is real people, y'all. This ain't nothing to pull your leg. This company is going to be net worth of $22 billion by 2022. They getting it, y'all. And they just want to share it. But all they want you to do is just promote their fucking products. As they eat, we winning. I made $3,700 $70 in 6 days. Why wouldn't you become part of my team? Why wouldn't you? You know I'm a person that grind and work. I ain't no lazy motherfucker. You know this. Why wouldn't you be a team with somebody that ain't scared to speak and talk and move and hold us down, and we can meet up. We can have business meetings. We can, go eat and talk and see how we can move these fucking products to get this money. If I can make this in 6 days, imagine another 6 days, and imagine a year. Click the link above this post. Seriously. Click the link above this post. All jokes aside. Once you click that, scroll down to where it says join my team. I ain't gonna hold you. They say it costs $50 to join. That's a fucking lie. You're gonna click the link. Once you click a packet that you want, you're going to have to add one of the products. Pick the cheapest product. Let me tell you my own personal story. Okay. Let me just tell you my own personal startup kit. I made that back 10 times fold. Okay. I clicked the link. I hit join my team. I clicked the kit that said $49.95. Right. Then once I kept clicking that and I was trying to go to the next page, it wouldn't let me go to the next page because I had to pick one of their products. They smart. It's cool. I picked the vitamins. I said, let me pick something cheap because I ain't have it. I ain't want to, build time. Ain't nobody been trying to, I ain't know how this was going to go. So I said, I'm going to click the NutriBurst because that's now. And whatever product that you pick, that's the product that you're going to get. Okay, wait a minute. That's the product you're gonna get. That's the product that you're gonna get, right? So that's $49.95, $49.99, or something like that for the vitamins. So that's your kit, $50, and then the other. So that's $90 right there. You're gonna go to another page, and they're gonna have something on there that is God damn. I forgot. It's a something that like you gotta have it coming out your account every month, and you can pick the date. Damn. Hold on, let me see. How about that? I can do it right here in Skittles. I ain't trying to show y'all all my damn information, but let's see my business. Let's go back. I'm still learning this too, y'all, back here. It's the back office of it. And of course, once people get involved with the business, as I learn, we all gonna learn together. We all will meet up, however, you know what I mean? It's going to be people all over the world. So that's with technology come in, that we all can do it through FaceTime, Skype, whatever that's comfortable, that we all can smart ship. There you go. It's called smart ship up there. Well, you can't see it. Let me see. It's called Smart Ship. So you're gonna go to Smart Ship. After you go to Smart Ship, when you go to Smart Ship, that right there is what's going to stay in your cart. That every month is gonna come out on a date that you picked, right? So I'm going to my commissions again, and it's telling me how much I got paid, right? So, so what happens is this is the first way of pay. This is not even all the other 4 ways of pay right here. All right. So, so you're going to go to Smart Ship. Okay. You're going to hit become a life changer. After you do that, you're going to pick a kit. After you pick a kit, you're going to pick one of the products to go with your kit. Okay. All right. So that was $49.95 of the kit that I started with. And then I picked the vitamin. That was another $40 fucking dollars, right? So then after that, I picked my Smart Ship, which I picked something that was cheap. I was like, wait a minute, let me just pick something. Like I said, I didn't know how this was gonna go. So I was like, anything that was the cheapest way to get into it, I picked the cheapest way. And you always can change your Smart Ship. You don't have to keep it at whatever you pick for that time. Right? I'm going to change mine because I know that I'm going to always want the vitamins, period. I know I'm going to always want the NutriBurst. So I'm going to switch my Smart Ship that it takes out of my account every month. Who cares now? I'm going to be making this money. I'm going to be able to pay for it. I ain't going to worry about how much. And when I first started, I was curious like everybody else, right? So I picked something that was $12. It was something as little as $12. So I picked that. My kit came to like $130, the whole thing, to start this business. Look how much I made back from just investing $130 something, y'all. Y'all playing. Y'all motherfucking playing. Y'all is y'all playing. Click my link to join the team, y'all. Click my link to join the team. Why? Why would you sit back and watch me win by myself? Why would you sit back and watch me win by myself when we all could do this shit together? I'm going to build a team so fucking big and that everybody going to be like, yo, who the boss? Who is the boss? Ain't nobody, because we all are. They ain't going to know who the boss, because we all are. We going to eat. We going to boat trips, fucking fly places, travel. Baby, just friends, family, however. Motherfuckers, I don't know. I'm going to build new friends. Who cares? My real friends, my real family going to get down with this shit. Period. Put everything aside. Put all that shit aside. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's show our kids. Let's show our kids. Man, listen. Click the link. Any one of the links that's on any post that I've been posting. I always say click the link below. Click that link. Go down to where it says join my team. If you got $100 and something to spare, that you gonna make it back, but the only way you gonna make this, you see how I post like crazy? You see how I'm not scared to post? You see how I'm not scared to get on live and say how I feel and do what I do? You see I wasn't scared to take these products and show that they do work? Join the team and stop playing. Let's eat. I think I'm gonna take out my family for a nice little treat with that.